This is a cadaver tank for two body. This tank is for two bodies with a handle. This handle is for lifting. You can lift it. The body inside there is a one platform, and it moves up from both the sides, from the other side also, or from this side also. When you lift it, you can put it back there, leaving, and then this two body or four bodies can be put in this tank. And this one is a double tank with the two double the size. It has no lifting facility, but the bodies can be 4 or 8 or 6 or 10 as per your requirement. They are for preserving the formalin. It has 4 wheels, 2 sides are there with the lifting lids. They come by the hand, and then these are only tanks for preserving the dead bodies in the hospitals or in the medical college or in the demonstration. We have got the mortuary cooler also. This one is a mortuary cooler where it is a freezer, and this is a transparent where it is only a plastic sheet which you can remove when you have to use it. And this whole of it is made with the stainless steel with top, and then stainless steel outside sheets are there. These are only covers. So this is for cooling, and there is a freezer inside so that the body does not become bad with the time, and due to for demonstration or for viewing or for this. These are the tanks which are available from Abron Exports. Please visit website and send us your order and email. For these are very suitable for medical colleges. We have got full items from Abron, www.abronexports.com, or our email is info@abronexports.com, and also one of the email is abron01@gmail.com. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel.